Okay, Gamble Rogers, that's A1A. And as you come back over here, this is their public beach access. This is May 2022. Here are their prices. $5 per vehicle, $4 per single occupant vehicle, $2 a person. Got a little shower area, bathhouse. And over here is the RV camping on the beach side. I think these sites are 1 through 20 something. All the odd numbers are on the beach side. It's over here. And all the even numbers are on the A1A side. Give you an idea of what they're like. Site 1 with Site 2. Site 3, Site 4, 5. Now beside Site 5 you have a beach overlook area. You can't get to the beach there. Here's Site 6, Site 7, Site 8, Site 9. And Site 10 is 11, and you have a little beach access here. And then you have what you came for, the beautiful east coast of Florida. Flagler Beach. Here's the bathhouse coming from sites 1 through 24, and then here's your dump station. And I'll show you a little bit of what the bathhouse is like. You got the men's on the A1A side. You got some washers and dryer. And the women's on the beach side. Got a shower here. And another boardwalk down to the beach access. And this one has no steps, which is really nice. Okay, let's pick back up with the sites again. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, which is a great site. 18, 19 is a great site too. 20, 21 is a great site. 22 is handicap accessible. And this is 24. Like I said, then you have the bathhouse and the dump station. Now the odd campsites down here have high dunes which you can't see over, and you're going to notice that. Some extra parking. There's 25, 20, 26. We'll look at 29. 30, you got 33, and see how high the growth area is down here that you don't see over. However, you do have a little lookout point right here with a bench that you can come down to and see the ocean, and you have a gate down here that they'll give you the security code to, which will let you go through so that you can walk your dog outside of the state park down there. And so you're down here by the Flagler Beach water tower now. And you can see how high the vegetation comes up down here, where you can't really see out at the beach like you can at sites 19, 21, and 17. Bathhouse coming from the opposite direction. Dump station. Okay, now we're going to go into the park on the west side of A1A. This is the gate here. And this is where everyone checks in at, is right here at the ranger station. So you have to come over here anyway when you first come in. There's where you check in at. There's some nature trails over to my right that you can go on. You got a little butterfly garden here. Little rose garden, I think. Well, they got different kind of plants here. Nature trail, butterfly garden back in there. Rental, as you can see. And you have the boat ramp. You have some pavilions. You got the Ocklawaha Pavilion. Does anybody know where Ocklawaha is? Home of the famous Ma Barker shootout way back in the day. And here is the entrance to the other campground. Now here's the dump station over on the west side of A1A. And they have two places that you can dump your RV, so it speeds up things. Place you can park your boat, overflow parking. And we're making our way down to where the RV sites are. There's a little drive-through one as you're coming out. It's one way this way. Got a nature trail right there. No bikes. Site 36, 37 right there. Then 39. 38 is where the bathhouse is. And 40, 42, 41, 43. As you can tell, there's 44. More of a tent site. You can pull a little RV in there, a little van, B plus maybe. 47, 48. Looks like a lot of tent campers over here, 48 through 50. And then you come on around. You're in, this is 53. And you got some on the inner circle, like 55. Then you got 54, 56. Here's 58. I'm gonna ride through this site since no one's here. You kind of see what it's like. The hookups, the grill, picnic table. And you got the bathhouse right across from this particular site, which is across from 59 right there. Looks like a handicap site. Got 62 right there. 61. 63. 64. 65. So that was just a quick run through of what these sites look like here. This is 68, the drive-through one. We'll drive through it since no one's here. And that's Gamble Rogers State Park, west side of A1A campground for the RVs and tent. Okay, in case somebody wants to know some specifics about the boat ramp, and I'm sure there's plenty of footage on YouTube, but I thought I'd go ahead and show you the boat ramp. You can freeze these signs if you want to really read them. So there's the boat ramp over there. And as you come back over here where the canoes are, they have a canoe launch area, which is really nice and handicap accessible. You just come down here, you got a launch area right here, and you have where you can pull your canoe or kayak right up here and put someone in who's in a wheelchair, or just, you know, maybe want some more security in getting into the kayak where you don't flip it. Okay, as you come out of the camping area, boat ramp area, you come around, you keep to the right, and then you turn, and here's the ranger station and the exit. As you notice, there's some prep parking right along in here as you come in, and this is how you exit. There's old buzzard up there on the top of the pole, chilling like a villain, waiting for something to die. Hopefully it's not me. And this brings you right back out to the gate in A1A Beachfront Avenue. Okay, from the sign right here, if you go north, it's about a 3-mile bike ride down to Flagler Beach and the pier. A lot of restaurants, plenty of places to eat there. Now if you head south from here towards the Flagler Beach water tower, 11 miles down is Ormond Beach. Okay, a lot of places to eat there. And along the way, you can find spots here and there. And here is where you can enter some of the nature trails. There's also a place over there by the butterfly garden that you can enter. No bikes, so I'm not going to go back there. Plus I don't have on any shoes. This little memorial puts it all into perspective. Sad. Be thankful for life that you have it as long as you do. Here is an example of Site 17 and how the vegetation is lower on 17, 19, and 21, where you can actually see out and see the ocean. You don't really see the sand. Now, if you got up on your picnic table, you probably could, but you can see the waves, see the horizon clearly, unlike the sites on down on the other side of the bathhouse. Comes the pelican parade. This guy's just getting a little snack here. This little guy's getting a snack here.